Welcome to Auckland Council, you're speaking with Timmer.
Hello, I'm calling to make a noise complaint, thank you.
Yeah, which area are you calling from, sir?
Central Auckland, Queen Street.
Okay, what kind of noise is it?
It is very loud music coming from QF Tavern at 131 Queen Street.
Welcome to Auckland Council, you're speaking with Melanie.
Hello Melanie, I'm just following up on a noise complaint that I made an hour ago, job number 2583 for QF Tavern at 131 Queen Street. Could you just tell me what the outcome is on that, please?
Sure, I can look that up for you. Just a moment. Okay, so it looks like our noise contractor went out there. Let's just have a look at the time of that. Okay, so our noise contractor went out about 20 to 1.
Right.
Oh, sorry, he was on site about 10 to 1.
Yes.
It looks like he has put the outcome at not excessive for this time. But in the notes, he's written here that there was no assessment point, which just means he wasn't really sure where to assess it from. And so generally he would then assess it from the street. But what I can do for you is put another noise complaint through and just put in our notes that it is the QF Tavern, and that means that our noise contractor should actually go inside the building because it's a public building and speak to the owners there.
Not filming me? I take offense to it. Mind not filming me? I take offense to it.